How to start making money starting with $0. In today's world, the idea of starting with nothing can seem overwhelming. The notion of needing a significant amount of capital to kickstart a business or investment venture is a common belief that many people hold. However, in the digital age, this traditional notion is being challenged. With the power of creativity, hard work, and the internet, making money starting with $0 is not only possible but can also be a rewarding journey. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Freelance your skills. One of the most accessible ways to start making money with no investment is by leveraging your skills as a freelancer. The gig economy has exploded in recent years, providing individuals with opportunities to offer their talents and services online. From writing and graphic design to programming and social media management, there's a vast array of freelance opportunities available. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easy to connect with clients who are willing to pay for your services. You can start by creating a profile showcasing your skills and gradually building a portfolio by taking on small projects. As you gain experience, your reputation will grow, allowing you to charge higher rates and secure more lucrative projects. You don't need any upfront investment, just your expertise and a computer with an internet connection. Sell products on marketplaces. If you have an eye for creative or unique products, selling items online can be a profitable venture. Platforms such as eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to sell products without the need to purchase inventory up front. You can start by selling things you already own, old clothes, gadgets, or even unused gifts. This process is known as decluttering, and it can generate some immediate cash. Become a content creator. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, content creation has become one of the most popular ways to make money online. Whether you enjoy creating videos, taking photos, or writing blogs, these platforms provide a venue to showcase your creativity and connect with an audience. The best part about content creation is that you don't need any investment to get started. Your smartphone or computer is all you need. As you build a following, you can monetize your content through various methods, such as brand partnerships, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue. This is not a get-rich-quick method, but with consistency and creativity, content creation can eventually turn into a full-time income. Offer virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, VAS, are in high demand, particularly as more businesses and entrepreneurs move their operations online. If you have strong organizational and communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great way to start earning money. As a VA, you can help businesses with a variety of tasks, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, customer service, or data entry. Many businesses, particularly small businesses and solopreneurs, are willing to pay for part-time assistance without the need for a full-time employee. Sites like Upwork, Belay, and Time, etc. offer VA job listings. Like freelancing, being a VA requires no upfront capital other than your skills and time. Participate in online surveys and market research. While participating in online surveys and market research may not make you rich, it's a simple and accessible way to start earning money quickly. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions to help shape their products and marketing strategies. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie reward users for completing surveys, watching videos, or testing products. The payouts are typically small, but they can add up over time, especially if you consistently engage with multiple survey platforms. Start a blog or niche website. If you enjoy writing, starting a blog or niche website can be a great way to make money from scratch. Blogs offer a wide range of monetization opportunities, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, and offering services like coaching or consulting. You can start a blog for free using platforms like WordPress or Medium, which don't require any upfront cost. The key to success in blogging is finding a profitable niche, creating high-quality content, and driving traffic to your site. Building an audience takes time, but once you have consistent visitors, you can begin monetizing through ads or affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates. Like content creation, blogging requires patience and consistency, but it can eventually lead to passive income. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services. If you're an animal lover, pet sitting and dog walking can be an easy way to start making money with no upfront cost. Many pet owners need reliable individuals to take care of their pets while they're at work or on vacation. By offering pet sitting or dog walking services in your local area, you can start earning money quickly. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with trusted pet sitters and walkers. You can also offer your services locally by posting flyers or advertising on community Facebook groups. This is an excellent side hustle that requires minimal investment, as long as you have a love for animals and a responsible attitude. Teach or tutor online. If you have expertise in a specific subject, teaching or tutoring can be an excellent way to make money with zero investment. Whether it's teaching English as a second language, tutoring students in math, or offering music lessons, there is a growing demand for online education. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wisant allow you to connect with students seeking help. Depending on your qualifications, you can earn a substantial hourly rate. All you need to get started is knowledge in a subject and an internet connection. Additionally, tutoring can be done via video calls, so you can work from the comfort of your home. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start earning money without needing your own products. By promoting other companies' products through a unique affiliate link, you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. The best part of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require upfront investment. Instead, you earn money by promoting products to an audience. You can promote affiliate links through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. While it takes time to build trust and a substantial audience, affiliate marketing has the potential to turn into passive income once set up. Flip free items for profit. Flipping items involves acquiring goods for little to no cost and reselling them for a profit. One way to flip items with no investment is by collecting free items from websites like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, where people give away items they no longer need. These items can include furniture, electronics, or household goods. Starting with $0 is not a barrier to success. It's simply a starting point for creativity and resourcefulness. Whether you're using your skills to offer services, selling products, or taking advantage of online opportunities, there are numerous ways to start earning money with no investment. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.